Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I will try to revive the Nokia 6310i. This is one of those phones from my last phone hunt that isn't working. Maybe I have a chance to bring it back to life. Maybe, I hope. So the battery is a bit charged, I can tell you that, but the phone, well, dead. When I first bought it and tried it, the screen and the buttons lighted up white like they should be, but it wasn't showing anything here, and then it didn't start again. So time to tear it down and see if we can save it. I do hope I can. I really wanted this phone for some time. Apparently there are a lot of people looking for this phone. Already a problem here. I'm guessing it snapped. It should come off. Oh, this one is snapped as well. Since I don't have a body shell for this one, I will try to be extra careful not to break it. I think someone already tampered with it. I don't like it. Yeah. Oh, what's happening? Is it the other way around with this phone? Oh, that's the volume buttons. That special plastic to say it like that. Yeah, and I'm stuck in this because of those two screws. Not cool, bro. Not cool. I will try to glue this back if I can do it. Almost there. Hang tight, buddy. This is getting really annoying. Okay, if this comes off, it's good. This must be the antenna. Oh, is this clamp that holds it? Is this clamp that ripped? Yes. Oh, here's the extra screw. So yeah, this phone, to open it up, you have to open the back side first. Will it open now? Yes, good. Oh, this is the vibrator. I think this is the something. And I see corrosion. I don't like corrosion. Say no to corrosion, kids. Also, it has internal battery, apparently. There we go. Putting it here. Phew. All right. Now, see the main board. Oh my god, so much dirt in this poor thing. Somebody tried to open this, I think. It's a bit damp. Oh, the display has the connector types that I like. As you can see, I'm using my fingers to push the clamps so I don't rip them. Here we have this thing, which I think this is the earpiece. Yeah, oh my god. And this should be the speaker. Oh yeah. And this is the speaker, but first I have to take out the vibrator. Ooh, rust in the vibrator. Not good. Old school vibrator. Come on. Well, that didn't sound right, but you get the idea. Luckily, it's not stuck, which is a good thing. Now, take the speaker out. There we go. Well, I will have to glue this, but later after I clean it. Yep, the buttons as well. The rear shell. Well, I will start to clean this, but first I'm going to put all these. I will put all this here. The main board. These things, they're not corroded. I will clean those classically. Also, I'll put this little motor here because it's corroded. I will use a solution for corrosion to remove rust corrosion, and then I will use another contact cleaner to clean the contacts. Clean it again, dry it out, and hopefully it works. And I will start to clean these parts as well. Well, let's hope I can actually save this phone. I really hope I can do it. I'm going to clean it and be right back. Oh, actually, before I go, let me show you how the main board looks before. Does it say Hitachi? Yes, it does. Well, time to get cooking. Be right back. Well, I am back with it, and I've cleaned this as hard as I could. It was a lot of corrosion in this, and I hope it works now. Also, apparently this phone has an internal battery, which is this. I'm thinking for the date and time. I also polished the screen. It still looks a bit used, but it's the best I could do because, well, it was ugly, and I do hope the phone works. If it works, well, tonight I'm drinking soda. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Don't forget about this. put it here from top to bottom. There we go. Well, I've cleaned it, I've tear it down, cleaned the contacts, cleaned the whole circuit. I don't know what to expect. I'm expecting it to work. I hope it works. Because if not, I have nothing else that I can do to it. I think I've pressed this too hard. There we go. Oh, it beeped for the first time. And something is happening. This, yay! It works. Whoa. Okay. Well, hold on a second. Where's the charger? Be right back. Yes, charging. Today is no. Time, and I don't know what time it is. And the screen has, yeah, oh, is the screen contact problem? It has dead pixels here. Yeah, it's the problem with the screen. It has a line of dead pixels here. Yeah, ooh, this works on this phone? It doesn't say talk towers, but it's not a problem. It was made month 7, 2003. So I've managed to start it up. So I took it apart again, and apparently it's a display problem. So if I put the connectors correctly on the battery and start it up, see, the motherboard lights up. And with this, it makes problems. I don't like problems. So after a while, I managed to find a second-hand display. Well, the seller also sent me the whole motherboard. So I don't know what to do now. I've tested this and it works. Let me test it again. See? Works just fine. Now I don't know what to do. And you know what? I've already cleaned my own. This one, by looking at it, I can tell that this one wasn't yeah, this one is in better condition than my own, so I will take this one. This one is still functional, and you saw that it started. It just needs, actually if I start it now, it just needs another display and this should work just fine. The phone starts, but the display is damaged and just lights up but doesn't show anything. So instead of taking this to put it there, I've seen that this one is in way better condition, just needs a bit of cleaning. I'll just clean this one. Honestly, I only ordered the display and I've got the whole motherboard, so it's a win for me. And the battery is not as corroded as that one. So yeah, I'll get to cleaning and start reassembling this one. Now let's check it again. the button press if I let it in this position. Let's hear it beat. The speaker works. We have contact. Good, maximum volume, boy. Email on this phone back then, so apparently I mean, I know email is very old stuff, but and there we have it, the repair video of the Nokia 6310. Finally working. Oh, here's the volume button. Everything works. Games, boy. Oh, so fast. Come on, already lost. I didn't even start it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful to see what's inside this apparently rare and expensive phone. And leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more daily videos. And I'll see you next time. Hopefully I won't find a phone with too much problems next time. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourselves. Bye bye. In the showcase with you.